It's snowing! I just don't like them. And guess what? It's time to get some water. Have a good day. I always forgot to use this. This is really good. It's not heavy to lift at all. This is going really easy now.